Revolutionize your content creation with Ecco app. Are you tired of the traditional, time-consuming process of creating audiobooks and podcasts? Look no further than Ecco app, the groundbreaking AI application that is set to transform the way you produce audio content. Developed by Sei Adalek, a prominent figure in the marketing industry, Ecco app leverages ChatGPT-4 technology to effortlessly convert any text, URL, article, or keyword into high-quality audiobooks or podcasts. The demand for audiobooks has been on the rise, especially in light of recent global events. However, the production and distribution of audiobooks can be challenging and costly for many content creators. Ecco app aims to change that by offering a simple yet powerful solution to generate quick income from audiobooks and podcasts without the need for extensive writing or research. Ecco app boasts a range of impressive features that set it apart from traditional audiobook generators. From universal content transformation to AI-powered podcast creation, Ecco app streamlines the entire process, allowing you to create professional-grade audio content in just minutes. With over 660 human-like voices in 80 languages, Ecco app opens up a world of possibilities for content creators looking to reach a global audience. Using Ecco app is as easy as logging in, generating your content, publishing it on the built-in marketplace, with millions of users and watching your profits soar. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, product creator, blogger, or video marketer, Ecco app offers a range of benefits that cater to various user needs. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk in giving Ecco app a try. Say goodbye to tedious scriptwriting and laborious editing processes. Ecco app is here to revolutionize the way you create audio content. With its advanced AI capabilities and user-friendly interface, Ecco app empowers content creators to express their ideas in innovative ways. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join the audio content revolution with Ecco app. Don't wait any longer. Unlock the potential of Ecco app today and start creating captivating audiobooks and podcasts with ease. Click link in description to start today.